All right, we're back again, January 16th, 2025. Just showing you the interior engine bay and trunk compartment on this beautiful 1983 Mercedes-Benz 500 SEC. Car is exceptionally clean. Beautiful dash. See how nice the wood and the velour seats are. The heated seats also have the orthopedic seat option. You can see the that's when the car was purchased out of the all-time stars collection out of the Mercedes-Benz Museum back in 2017. You got your original books. The car was featured in Classic Mercedes in autumn of 2023. It's got a nice 5-page article about the car. Also comes with a couple of little toys from the previous owner. That's a model kit of the 500 SEC. Also comes with a Hot Wheel car of a 560 SEC. Very, very clean car. Interior is downright gorgeous. See how nice the wood is. 100,463 kilometers. See the heated seat options. The only flaw that I found on the car, there was a small repair made to the top side of the seat. Professionally done. But overall, the condition is really spectacular. Engine bay is super, super clean. Car runs and drives fantastic. And it just had a fresh oil change. And it had some recent work that was done, some AC work that will all be shown in the receipts. And gorgeous, gorgeous car. And it will be coming up for auction soon on Bring a Trailer as a no reserve auction. 1983 Mercedes-Benz 500 SEC Euro coming up for auction soon on Bring a Trailer, no reserve. Today's January 16th, 2025. Just want to wish everyone the best of luck.